Alright guys, if you were here with us last week, you saw that we finished the motor. Now it's time to install and see if we can get this thing rolling.
So I actually deleted the brake light, so when I wire this up, I'm gonna have to add a few more grounds.
Alright, so guys, I think I have all the electrical the way it should be. We're not running a tail light, so we do have to change up a few of the wires, which should all be grounded out now. Let's go ahead and try to see if we got spark.
Well, we don't have spark. So I went ahead, set my timing, cleaned my points, and made sure the gap was correct.
Alright guys, so we got spark to the motor. Now all that's left to do is we gotta find a carburetor for this, and we gotta find an exhaust. I should have that stuff lying around, so let's take a peek.
Alrighty, so we got an exhaust right here. We'll take that bad boy. And we got a carburetor right here. There we go, let's go.
Alright, so we set our timing, we put our carburetor on, and our throttle cable. Now we have to put on the rest of the cables and install this exhaust. We have to see if these tubes on these wheels will hold air. And then we have a few more things that we gotta do before we can see if this thing runs. Alright guys, so I'm going to see if these old tires and tubes will actually survive. I'm going to try to put air in them for the first time. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that these things are going to air up? Check these things out.
I mean, look at that, guys. That is mint. That looks amazing.
Cut to the next part. No, the next part.
Check that out. The original tube was fine. Just kidding. That's a brand new tube.
Check it out, guys. I just made a TikTok of cleaning this wheel. Probably do like 200,000 views.
All right, guys, So as you can see, the shop's looking a little bit different. I'm renovating it currently, making myself a new table. The Maxi is all ready to go. We're gonna bring this thing outside, put some gas in it, and see if we can get it running. So guys, I really don't know if this thing's gonna start or not. I don't have a conventional kickstand. I have a side kickstand, so you guys get to watch me struggle, pedal this thing, and maybe see if it starts. Let's get into me struggling. Yeah. So I guess I'm just gonna have to push start it every time, which really isn't too bad. So let's try the second attempt. Ooh. Alright guys, it's running, and the kill switch didn't kill it, so that's good. There it is. Alright guys, so with that, I can't believe that we got this thing all finished. There's a lot of stuff I want to do to this thing throughout the entire summer. I'm really looking forward to be able to add all kinds of performance parts, try some carburetors out, try some sprockets out, try some 70cc kits out. Let me know what you guys want to see me do to this bike over the summer, and we can make that happen. So I hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. There's going to be a lot more to come. Thanks, guys.